All right, good morning, everybody. So this is NubiaEMR, and we are here to show you how to log into NubiaEMR and create a patient in our system. So before you log in, you have to type the name of your facility. In this case, it will be Nubia Online. So we'll type it, and then it will pop up the names of the systems that you have in the app. Then you select the name that you prefer or the name that your facility is known by in the system. In this case, it will be Nubia Online. Great. So you go ahead and put in your email and then your password, and click on sign in. Now, once you're in the system, there are two dashboards that you are allowed to see depending on your role in the facility. So if you're an admin or the owner of the facility, you get to see the admin dashboard. However, if you're a staff, this is the dashboard that you land on. And as a staff, you do not see any financial transactions or any financial records of the facility. So let's go ahead and then create a new patient then. So you come to patients, then you click on add patients. You go ahead and then you fill in the details. Over here we have the check-in date. So you go ahead and you put up the check-in date, which is today, 8th of November 2023. Then let's say the person is King Andrews. You can choose between putting up the date of birth of the person or the age. In this case, we'll use the age. So we'll say 25 years old. And then you select the gender, which is male. Then you go ahead and you put in the email address of the patient. Address if needed, and telephone number if needed. National Health Insurance ID if needed as well. Then you go ahead and you fill in the other details, which is previous medical practitioner, if there is any provided. You go ahead and you fill in the allergies. So let's say this person is allergic to milk. And maybe lactose intolerant as well. Then you come down and you come and fill in the family history. Mother side or father side. Let's say mother deceased, father alive, known medical condition. Let's say asthma. You can select multiple. There could be diabetes, high blood pressure, and the rest. Let's just say high cholesterol too. You close the drop down menu. Then from father side, you could say high blood pressure and maybe diabetes. You could go ahead and fill in other family histories that are not provided up here. And you can take any of these if there has been any history of cancer in the family from either mother side or father side. So let's just go ahead and select cancer for this particular person. Let's say breast. Blood type, let's say B positive. Let's say asthma. Past surgical history, none. Let's say non-smoker, occasional drinker, no illicit drugs, and sexually active. You go ahead and you submit your form now. The patient has been created in that case. You can go ahead and review the details you filled in for the patient. You realize that allergies show up on this side under the allergies header. Allergic to milk and lactose intolerant, just as typed up in there. Blood type, you see IROS B positive for this particular patient. And then I selected asthma as his medical health history. We'll go ahead and then see other diseases or other complications from both family histories over here. And then you also see all the other details: sexual activity, drug abuse, alcohol and tobacco use, and whatever else it is that you've input into the patient details when creating a patient. So that's just how to create a patient in Nubia EMR. Thank you and see you some other time.